Natural and permanent hair transplantation at Panorama Hair Turkey, now with 30% discount. Hair transplantation is more than just a solution for baldness, it restores confidence by creating a natural-looking hairline that complements facial features. Panorama Hair Turkey specializes in providing long-lasting and natural results through advanced techniques like FUE, follicular unit extraction, and DHI, direct hair transplantation. With a focus on personalized treatment plans, the clinic ensures that each patient receives the best possible outcome. Now, with an exclusive 30% discount on hair transplant services, achieving a fuller head of hair has never been more accessible. The procedure involves a detailed consultation, precise planning, and meticulous transplantation using state-of-the-art microsurgical techniques. With a highly experienced team and minimally invasive methods, patients benefit from a fast and comfortable recovery process. Panorama Hair Turkey stands out with its high success rate, cutting-edge technology, and commitment to patient satisfaction. Take advantage of this limited-time offer and regain your natural, healthy hair with expert care.